So WordPress 5.7, which is inspired by American musician Esperanza Spalding, is here. And I'm really impressed. WordPress made a lot of very good changes, which made me think that really WordPress making things very simple for you guys. We saw in update 5.5, WordPress added a very nice feature where you can native lazy load images directly from WordPress. You do not need to use any plugin to lazy load images. And now with 5.7, they added really nice features which can kill a lot of plugins. So let's see what is everything new with WordPress 5.7 in detail. Okay, as you can see my screen, this is WordPress 5.7. So here are the changes. So editor is now easier to use. So now you can easily adjust the font sizes. And then we have reusable blocks. We have insert, drag and drop. This one is a really very important thing which WordPress added in 5.7, because in Gutenberg before we do not have the feature to drag and drop. If I show you, this is my website running on WordPress 5.6. If I want to drag something, I cannot do that. And this website, it is running on 5.7. You can see here, I just drag something from here and I can drop it directly on the editor. So this is a really nice feature WordPress added in Gutenberg. But really, WordPress Gutenberg is still lacking behind from Elementor, Beaver Builder, Visual Builder, Divi Builder, all other builders. Seriously, I appreciate WordPress for making these changes. They really need to catch up their game more. But it is good to know that they added this really nice feature, and the people who want to use Gutenberg, for them it will make things very easier. Okay, now you can do more things without custom code. I really like this feature. Now you can do the full height alignment. You can easily add the full width images. It will be very nice for blocks which are having background images to have the full width effect. You have complete social icon blocks where you can manage the size of the icons. I will not discuss this Gutenberg editor in detail because I don't think it is the best editor nowadays. They are making it better every time, but it is not the best one. I saw some videos with 5.7 and a lot of people who are really big name in WordPress industry on YouTube, and they're saying they're going back to Gutenberg because Gutenberg is more faster. But honestly, being a developer and I specialize in website speed optimization, you can make any WordPress website faster with any editor. If you want to know how to make a website faster, check the description of the video how you can make a website faster in just 5 minutes. Okay, let's move on. Second thing is simple default color palette. So now the WordPress color palette has more contrast. It has less colors but it has more contrast. If you see here, on the left side is the before and the right side is the after color palette. If I drag it on the left, I don't know if you can see on the screen, but this time you can see on the right there's more contrast. For some people who have problem with seeing colors, it can be really very useful feature. You can see the all color palette available in WordPress. Coming to the third and really interesting thing, which I was saying in the starting of the video, WordPress is going to kill a lot of plugins. So now from HTTP to HTTPS in a single click. Before we were using a lot of plugins who are doing this work for us. They were not doing the work in a clean way. They're using some tricks. They were not updating the database of WordPress. But now when you go to your WordPress website, for example, I show you, if you go to settings, if you go to general, so if you have a SSL installed on your website and you go to this page and you change the URL from HTTP to HTTPS and then you will save it, what WordPress will do, it will change all the URLs in WordPress database to HTTPS. And this is really nice feature. I really love this feature. Like in WordPress 5.5, they give you this feature to lazy load images directly from WordPress. And the same thing they did again. So now you can do HTTP to HTTPS in a single click. And trust me, this is a very nice feature. It will save you a lot of time, and I'm happy that WordPress is removing dependency on some plugins. So what I can see now, from now WordPress is giving you more and more features, so you will be less dependent on the plugins. And when you have less plugins, your website will be automatically faster. Okay, and then you have new robots API. I'm sure not everyone of you interested in this, but if you want, I will put a link directly to the WordPress update, and so you can go there and read if you're interested in that. And your ongoing cleanup after update to jQuery 3.5.1. So after 5.5 update, a lot of websites are broke. For me, I updated more than 20 websites, nothing broke. Every website was nice because I updated after a few days, which I will also suggest you wait for a few days, at least for 1 week or 10 days, and then you will see a lot of plugin and themes update will come, which will be compatible with WordPress 5.7. And then the last thing is lazy load your iframes. So by default now WordPress will add a lazy load attribute to iframes. So pages who have iframes will load more faster. So guys, finally, like updated WordPress 5.7, if you also want to upgrade your website game, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video.